focus to the global race to develop a vaccine against COVID-19. Last week, trials for the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine candidate resumed in the United Kingdom. However, it has now emerged that these trials of the vaccine will now remain suspended in the United States until the federal drug regulator completes its own probe. Media agency Reuters has reported that the trials within the US will remain suspended until later this week. The US drug regulator is probing the case of serious side effects in one of the patients, which has halted the trials worldwide on September 6. The enrollment of new patients and other trial procedures for the US trials have also been put on hold for the time being. And AstraZeneca on Saturday said that it had resumed its trial in Britain after regulators completed their review. The worldwide trials had been halted after reports indicated that a participant in Britain was found to be suffering from a rare spinal inflammatory disorder called transverse myelitis. One of the leading reasons for transverse myelitis is known to be the immunological disorders which can be triggered by a vaccine. This disease interrupts the messages that the spinal cord nerves send throughout the body, and this can cause pain, muscle weakness, paralysis, sensory problems, or even bladder and bowel dysfunction. Following the discovery, the trial of the COVID-19 vaccine had been stopped worldwide, but has now also resumed in Brazil. The Serum Institute of India, which is conducting the trials across the country, will also be resuming the second phase and third phase of the trials of the Covishield vaccine. The SII had said that there had been no safety or health issues in the India trial so far. India, which is clocking nearly 100,000 new cases a day, is desperately hoping for the success of the Covishield vaccine, which has been termed the most promising candidate worldwide by the World Health Organization. However, as the worst affected country in the world from coronavirus, the US is showing there can be no compromise with the due process. The compressed timelines in the race to find a vaccine may not provide enough of a window to sufficiently analyze safety and efficacy, and any shortcuts in understanding the possible adverse impact of the vaccine can even have far serious implications in the future. On the other hand, the abrupt halt in the AstraZeneca vaccine trials led to a scare among the participants of another candidate for the trial, and some volunteers in the Johnson & Johnson's vaccine trial in Spain have now dropped out. This highlights the challenge that the global drug makers are facing and the skepticism of the participants to participate in these trials.